Are you a busy business owner trying to keep up with the blog posts for your online store? We've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing a revolutionary app that will change the way you handle blogs. Say goodbye to endless hours spent on writing and editing. With our app, you can focus on what really matters, your business. Here's how it works. Simply enter your blog post title in the input field and click Generate. That's it. Our powerful AI technology will do the rest. As you type, you'll see the number of available generates for each date. You'll never run out of content ideas again. Here's the best part. With our app, you'll find a grid filled with automatically generated blog posts tailored to your online store. Simply click on any post to customize the title and post body to your liking. Once you've made your edits, select the most compelling text and hit Publish. But remember, your post won't go live immediately. It'll be scheduled to appear on your desired publishing date. Our app is trusted by business owners just like you all across the United States, Canada, and Europe. They've discovered the joy of effortlessly managing their blogs while focusing on growing their business. So why wait? Install our app today and say goodbye to the tiring time spent working on blog posts.